Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I decorated these really awesome Ninja Turtle cookies for my son Jackson. If you didn't catch my last video, I'll leave a link below, but I'm using the exact same cookie recipe that I did the first time. So I'm just going to show you how I actually formed the Ninja Turtle cookie because I didn't have like an exact cookie cutter for that. So first I'm going to take a flower shaped cookie cutter and I'm just going to cut that out. And then I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to spread out the cookie so that it doesn't look so much like a flower and it looks more like a cloud shape. I'm using this fondant cutter that I got from Amazon to create the Ninja Turtle face onto the front of my cookie. And I'm just lightly pressing it in because you don't want to like form another cookie, you just want to put the imprint onto the surface. So I'm just going to pop these into the oven for a little while, and after they have cooled, I'm going to use the exact same cookie glaze that I have always been using, and I'm going to add a little bit into sections on my cookie and work it through with a toothpick. That way everything stays really precise. After I finish with that section, I'm going to give it a little while to let the color set and dry, and then I'll move on to the next color. And before I move on to the next section, I'm going to go ahead and let that set and check in on Jackson to see how he's doing with his cookies. He's doing such a great job. Now I'm going to go ahead and start on the cloud portion of my cookie, and I just outlined the whole cookie with a little white cookie glaze, and I'm just filling it in with a toothpick as usual. And now I'm just going to use the edge of my toothpick to clean up any rough edges. And now I'm using some chocolate sprinkles for the pupils of the eyes. And now a Wilton edible marker to color in the mouth. How cute is this? Now I'm going to go ahead and start on the pizza. So first I'm going to outline the pizza with my yellow glaze for the cheese, and just go ahead and start filling that in. Now it's time to decorate, and I'm just going to add a little bit of red for pepperoni. And some green for the peppers. And we're done. It's a good idea to let these sit for a couple of hours so that the glaze can kind of harden. And once it's set, you can even break the pizza apart in little slices. Isn't that cute? Well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope I will see you on the next one. Bye.